Hola, Senor Jordan here. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the word
sino,
in Spanish. But to understand how
sino,
works, let's review
pero,
is most accurately translated as but, and it is used to link ideas. But it also implies that the second part of the sentence is different from the first part, like in English. Here are some examples of
pero.
in sentences.
Quiero agua, pero no quiero limonada. Me gusta hablar, pero no me gusta escuchar. Necesito un coche, pero no necesito un teléfono.
But when the first part of the sentence is negative and we want to show the opposite idea between the first and second parts, we'll use
Sino,
to show that. So,
sino,
means but rather, or but instead. And we'll use it when the first part of our sentence is negative, and the next part is positive and contradicts the first part. Here are the same examples from before. Notice,
pero,
becomes,
sino,
because the first part of the sentence is negative and the part after
sino.
means the opposite of the first part.
Quiero agua, pero no quiero limonada. No quiero limonada sino agua. Me gusta hablar, pero no me gusta escuchar. No me gusta escuchar, sino hablar. Necesito un coche, pero no necesito un teléfono. No necesito un teléfono, sino un coche.
You might also come across,
Sino que,
this means the same thing as,
sino,
but we use it when the second part has a conjugated or changed verb after.
sino.
So if we look at those examples again, let's see what happens when there's a conjugated or changed verb in the second part of the sentence.
No quiero limonada sino agua. No quiero limonada sino que quiero agua. No me gusta escuchar, sino hablar. No me gusta escuchar, sino que me gusta hablar. No necesito un teléfono, sino un coche. No necesito un teléfono, sino que necesito un coche.
To review,
Sino,
is used when we want to say but rather, or but instead.
sino,
Is used when the first part of our sentence is negative and the next part is positive and contradicts the first part.
sino que,
Means the same thing as,
sino.
but we use it when the phrase after it is a conjugated or changed verb. I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others who could benefit. Also, as an extra challenge, try to write a sentence in the comments section with
Sino,
or.
sino que.
Thanks for watching. Gracias.